Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today, show y'all what I did yesterday. Went here and clear coated the old wall hanger. That's not what we're working on today. Today we're working on this beautiful, beautiful Peterbilt. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but there was a sticker on here. Maybe y'all can see it, I don't know. Yeah. Guy peeled the sticker off, and it was under the clear coat. So, we gotta fix all this and re-clear this door. Part of this truck's been painted before, so let's get our water on our sandpaper, get it softened up a little bit. I'm gonna get y'all set up while I work. All right, guys, not sure y'all can see, but I've been sanding on this right here. You got clear coat that's peeled off like this. Not sure if y'all can see that. The sun's turned wrong. But you want to feather out them edges. And I just noticed that this color is a little bit different than this color. Not much. I think we can blend it. But you want to feather them edges out to where they're smooth, like I just did right here. Now we got to go all the way around and get all this. Then we're going to start sanding this. Then apply some new clear and be done. When you're doing a spot like this, you want to make sure you don't sand all the way through the clear and get into the base. All we'll do is try to correct this. See, that's smooth right there now. Not sure if y'all can see that, where it's peeling. That's where that sticker was. You can see the clear coat peeling right there. We're going to get rid of all that. Okay, guys, I've been sanding a few minutes here. See if y'all can tell the difference here. Well, I got that feathered out. Boy, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But y'all can see the ridge right here, surely. That's why I ain't sanded yet. And over here is where I have sanded. This all flows together. So that's what we're going to do. Flow all that together. And this is close match underneath. Actually pretty close, real close match. But I may have to throw some silver in here and blend this before we re-clear it. But boy, y'all can see the orange peel in this clear coat. And of course, I'm gonna have to match back some orange peel to match the rest of the truck. As I hate to, I'd rather be freaking slick, show finish, but the truck needs color sanded and buffed what it needs. But I'm gonna keep sanding here. And I'll get back to y'all in a minute. But y'all just look at this old truck. Beautiful, beautiful truck. And he takes pride in this truck, I'm telling y'all. This thing's got over 100 chicken lights on it. It's all over it. And yes, them stacks do work. Sure if y'all can see the black up there on top of that stack. Yep. But I'm gonna keep working. See if we can get this spot fixed. Get this door re-cleared. Make it look good again. Okay, y'all. Not sure if y'all can see that orange peel. This silver and the sun just don't match, you know. There is a lot of orange peel in this paint. This truck's been painted before, like I said. But this is where we're at. We got this here feathered out pretty good. I can still feel a little ridge. We're gonna feather on back. You always want to feather on back. Got a little hole right here where it tear there. Feather it out. Y'all can see where I stopped right here. You can see the ridge. So I'm gonna keep sanding. All right, guys, we have got it sanded down. See if y'all can tell the difference. Shiny, not shiny. A few spots I'm gonna hit again right here. Well, we got it ready to spray. And I'm not gonna spray it today, gonna spray it in the morning, so I guess I'll pick back up in the morning. It's getting late in the day and gotta paint it outside, so no won't do falling on fresh paint that ain't dried yet, or fresh clear coat. It's a good looking old truck though, y'all. Best part about it, got his old duck up there. But alright, I'll pick back up in the morning, y'all. Well, we're back on it, y'all. Starting to get it masked up. Oh, wait till these gnats die down a little bit. Gnats have been bad this year for some reason. Not sure why. But we got this part masked off. Fixing to do the windows and all that stuff in the front down here. So let me just get to it, and we'll pick back up when I get ready to spray some color in this spot right here, which y'all can see. Blend it in and clear coat it. All right, y'all, let's do this. Y'all, first coat on. Now do this. Y'all, like I said, first coat on, clear, first coat here. All right, y'all, gonna lay another coat on. Y'all, if y'all can see me, maybe, I don't know. of it, y'all. Old Matco gun came through. Got a bug in it right there, but that's fine. Still got some orange peel, still looks factory. So that's good. Still looks like the rest of the truck. Turned out pretty decent. Yes, it did. Tailgate turned out okay. Y'all can see. But that's gonna be it for this video, y'all. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I will see y'all later.